Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will revise SSC CGL exam 2025, most repeated questions from general knowledge. 1. The Finance Commission is constituted under Article of the Constitution of India. A. 270, B. 280, C. 226, D. 245. The right answer is B. 2. Who built the Taj Mahal? A. Shah Jahan, B. Sher Shah, C. Nadir Shah, D. Jahangir. The right answer is A. 3. The Nalanda University was founded by A. Samudragupta, B. Chandragupta, C. Kumargupta, D. Harshvardhana. The right answer is C. 4. Bleaching powder is used in drinking water as an A. Coagulant, B. Disinfectant, C. Antiseptic, D. Antibiotic. The right answer is B. 5. The pH of lemon juice is expected to be A. Equal to 7, B. Nothing can be predicted, C. More than 7, D. Less than 7. The right answer is D. 6. Washing soda is also known as A. Sodium chloride, B. Calcium bicarbonate, C. Sodium carbonate, D. Phosphorus. The right answer is C. 7. Baking soda is also known as A. Sodium bicarbonate, B. Calcium bicarbonate, C. Carbon monoxide, D. Bromide. The right answer is A. 8. What is the ratio of RBC to WBC? A. 1 ratio 600, B. 600 ratio 1, C. 1 ratio 900, D. 500 ratio 1. The right answer is B. 9. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Hyderabad, D. Bengaluru. The right answer is D. 10. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? A. 1911, B. 1912, C. 1910, D. 1905. The right answer is A. 11. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? A. Leukoderma, B. Hydrophobia, C. Hypertension, D. Arthritis. The right answer is B. 12. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? A. Thorium, B. Uranium, C. Water, D. Fossils. The right answer is B. 13. By whom is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected? A. All the members of Rajya Sabha, B. All the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, C. People of India, D. All the members of Lok Sabha. The right answer is D. 14. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Saturn. The right answer is C. 15. Which article is related to the special status of Jammu and Kashmir? A. 370, B. 300, C. 110, D. 248. The right answer is A. 16. Which gland is both exocrine and endocrine? A. Pituitary gland, B. Thyroid gland, C. Pancreas, D. Small intestine. The right answer is C. 17. Which soil is best suited for cotton? A. Red soil, B. Regur, C. Alluvial soil, D. Loam. The right answer is B. 18. Which state has the largest wasteland area? A. UP, B. Bihar, C. Rajasthan, D. Punjab. The right answer is C. 19. Color of the urine is yellow because of A. Urochrome, B. Potassium, C. Endorphin, D. Insulin. The right answer is A. 20. Who has been called Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta, B. Chandragupta, C. Kumargupta, D. Harshvardhan. The right answer is A. 21. Which is the largest river basin in India? A. Godavari Basin, B. Narmada Basin, C. Yamuna Basin, D. Ganga Basin. The right answer is D. 22. Which river originates at Amarkantak? A. Mahanadi. B. Godavari. C. Narmada. D. Krishna. The right answer is C. 23. Largest freshwater lake of the world is A. Lake Superior. B. Lake Michigan. C. Lake Malawi. D. Great Bear Lake. The right answer is A. 24. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? A. The 5th of June. B. The 8th of June. C. The 5th of April. D. 21 April. The right answer is A. 25. Which is a landlocked sea? A. Caribbean Sea. B. Aral Sea. C. Red Sea. D. South China Sea. The right answer is B. 26. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha. A. 260. B. 250. C. 210. D. 150. The right answer is B. 27. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Motilal Nehru. The right answer is C. 28. Who was the first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. B. Arunima Sinha. C. Premlata Agrawal. D. Malawat Perna. The right answer is A. 29. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? A. Chief Minister of India. B. President. C. Members of both the houses. D. Election Commissioner of India. The right answer is B. 30. Who pioneered Khilafat movement? A. Syed brothers. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Ali brothers. D. Maulana Azad. The right answer is C. 31. First general elections were held in which year? A. 1921. B. 1942. C. 1950. D. 1951. The right answer is D. 32. Gobar gas contains mainly A. Methane. B. Ethane. C. Butane. D. Propane. The right answer is A. 33. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? A. Pancreas. B. Thyroid. C. Adrenal gland. D. Pineal gland. The right answer is A. 34. In which state was the Panchayati Raj first introduced? A. Bihar. B. Rajasthan. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. The right answer is B. 35. Which is the warm ocean current? A. Labrador Current. B. Oyashio Current. C. Canary Current. D. Gulf Stream. The right answer is D. 36. Which among the following country is the leading producer of uranium? A. Australia. B. Canada. C. USA. D. Japan. The right answer is B. 37. Arya Samaj was founded by A. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. B. Swami Vivekanand. C. Swami Satchidanand. D. Swami Narayan. The right answer is A. 38. Which state has smallest land area? A. Kerala. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Goa. D. Assam. The right answer is C. 39. Which Governor General was associated with doctrine of lapse? A. Dalhousie. B. Lytton. C. Hastings. D. Cornwallis. The right answer is A. 40. Who was the first woman president of Congress? A. Annie Besant. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Usha Mehta. D. Madam Kama. The right answer is A. 41. Which amongst the following breathes through the skin? A. Snake. B. Frog. C. Turtle. D. Dolphin. The right answer is B. 42. Who is called father of economics? A. Aristotle. B. Einstein. C. Adam Smith. D. Geoffrey Chaucer. The right answer is C. 43. Which element is the highest conductor of electricity? A. Gold. B. Copper. C. Steel. D. Silver. The right answer is D. 44. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is A. 45. Which state has the largest coastline in India? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. The right answer is B. 46. Who written the book, India of My Dreams? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lala Hardyal. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Bhagat Singh. The right answer is C. 47. World's largest desert. A. Great Basin Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Great Victoria Desert. D. Gobi Desert. The right answer is B. 48. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? A. 8 months. B. 5 months. C. 6 months. D. 1 year. The right answer is C. 49. In which year Bengal was reunited? A. 1912. B. 1911. C. 1909. D. 1905. The right answer is B. 50. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. C.V. Raman. C. Mother Teresa. D. Amartya Sen. The right answer is A.